Okay guys, this is your head weighting exercise. Now on your sheet, it's going to tell you where to place the weights and how many weights to have in your head weight. It's going to tell you how many minutes to start with and for how many times per day to do this exercise, and then what to work up to. So you start with maybe 3 minutes, but the goal is to work up to say 10 minutes over the course of maybe a couple of weeks to slowly make sure your spine is getting stronger and more stable. Remember, this head weight is designed to help you hold that adjustment, to help with that neck curve for strengthening and stabilization. So your head weight comes in a box like this. And so you're going to open it up, and it's in a little plastic thing, which we're going to open. And it comes with all of the weights in there. So this is the head harness, which we'll have you put together, so hold that for a second. But it comes with all the weights. So you can see how there's weights in here. So you're going to take out the weights that don't apply. Now, maybe down the road, we might be getting stronger and we add weights, but for now, we're just going to put in the weights that it says on your rehab sheets. This is also the same weight that you should be doing here in the office. Okay, so for this example, there are 2 weights right there in the middle. Okay, so keep the other weights. We might add them later, or maybe another family member requires a different amount of weight when they're doing their head weighting, but we're going to start with just 2 as an example in this. So it comes with the head harness. Now, it's all parts. And so it takes a little bit of work to put this together, but there's a pad on the front and then there's Velcro in the back. So there's 2 little Velcro straps, and you have a hook on one side, and you're going to put the far one into that hook, and you're going to Velcro that down, and then you're going to take this. So you see how now it's a circle? So then you're going to take the other piece and you're going to loop it around that first strap, just like that. Now these are able to change sizes depending on how big your head is. So we'll loosen that up, put that in the middle. Okay, so Velcro is in the back and the padded part goes in the front. Okay, so then we're gonna have her put this on. And so she'll unVelcro and then she'll put that on, forehead right there above her eyebrows, and then she's gonna Velcro that nice and snug across the back. So once that's on there really nice and tight, she's going to take her weights, make sure the 2 weights or the weights that you have required are right there in the middle. And so she'll Velcro that all the way on, again nice and firm, and so the weights sit right there above the forehead. Okay, so when you're doing this exercise, it's really important to make sure you're paying attention to really good posture. I don't want you doing a bunch of extra stuff, running around the house or whatever when you have this head weight on. The idea is that you're going to stand there, you're going to march in place, and you're going to be staring at the wall or maybe the TV or a picture or whatever, but it's to maintain really, really good posture while you're doing this exercise. This is your head weight exercise.